How to remove text from video in CapCut. So if you want to remove a text from a video in CapCut, then first you need to choose your video. So you can simply click on new project and then you can import something. Once you've imported here, you will have your video, right? So this is the video. So if you have any text right here under this video or on this video, so if you want to remove that text, then it might be a huge process, but there is a simple way. What you need to do is simply go for stickers or effects, which is on the upper right. Go for the stickers and wait for the resources to load. And once you have the resources, you can simply scroll down and you can simply choose any resource or any sticker that you have. So, for example, if I choose this video, so for example, if I choose this sticker, now I have this sticker, right? So once you choose the sticker, click on the plus, which is here, and here you will have your sticker. So you can simply enlarge or you can make that short. And for example, if you have your text here, right here on the bottom, you can simply override that text. So you can keep any sticker and then you can simply hide that text. But if you don't want to keep a sticker, then you can simply remove that sticker. Choose the sticker and then you can go for delete and delete your sticker. And once you delete it, now what you need to do is simply cut your video, or you can simply choose a video and then copy your video, and then you can copy your video by Control plus C. Once you've copied, you can simply overwrite that video. You can paste that video again. Once you've pasted, you will have this kind of video. So you can simply override the video in which you have the text. So for example, I have the text from here to here, right? So if I have the text in this part, then you can simply copy this last part and then you can add that last part here, and you can simply remove the middle part. So that's how you can override, or that's how you can remove your text. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.